Tired of chasing side hustles that take too much time and effort? With AI Niche Site Blueprint, you can build an automated income stream that works for you, not the other way around. This system teaches you how to find profitable, low competition niches that already have demand. Then, using the built in ZERP AI app, your website gets set up, filled with optimized content, and ranked on Google all on autopilot. You don't need tech skills or SEO experience. The AI handles the content creation, optimization, and posting for you 24/7. So you can focus on scaling instead of struggling. Once your site is live, you can monetize it with affiliate offers or pay per call programs and start earning commissions. It's one of the simplest ways to turn automation into income, and it's perfect for beginners. Click the link in the description to get started and see how AI Niche Site Blueprint can help you build your first automated income stream today.